Hi there guys, Neil at italiaautos here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Behind me we have this Spider that unfortunately I've been told has a rust issue. So today we're going to be taking the side skirts off, getting it on the ramp and having a look at it and see how bad it is and whether it's worth repairing or not. But first of all, we'll have a quick little walk around the car and see how the rest of it's doing. Right, to start with, the bodywork is rather dull and we've got that going on there. Roof looks rather tired and saggy, so something needs sorted out on that. The rear screen isn't too bad. I would assume that's been replaced at some point in its life, but yeah, the rest of the bodywork is rather tired. It's got the original alloy wheels on it, unpainted side skirts, which the phase ones did come with. The fitment on that door isn't great. Yeah, it's coming out that way at the bottom. No rust really on the rear arches. Rear light bar's good. Again, a little bit of polish there. So somebody's tried to polish it up, but I'd assume, yeah, that's not going to come back too well. So yeah, it needs a respray, but other than that, the exterior of it is fine. So now we need to remove these side skirts. There's a nut just there, well, a screw even. There's a couple underneath, and there's probably one at the back here as well. Nope, not on this one. Now there should be screws all the way along here, but somebody has already removed them. I would assume the owner's done this, so there's just one left in here. Hopefully he's done the ones underneath as well to make my life one heck of a lot easier. Now it does appear that the customer has removed pretty much all the bolts already. So hopefully we can just get this off quite easily. Well, that was quite straightforward, so let's get it on the ramp and see how bad it is. Right, so let's start by checking out this outer seal. Not too bad at the minute. Yes, there is some like surface rust and stuff, but that looks like it could be all cleaned up. A little bit of jacking damage there, but that can be pulled straight. A little bit towards the back there, but nothing to worry about. Behind there, a little bit has gone. If you can just see there, look, a little bit gone there. There you go, look, you see that bit better from this side. So that needs a little bit of welding there, not much. The rest of it looks quite intact. Floor pan is pretty good this side. There's nothing else I can see that needs welding, which does surprise me. I was expecting it to be a lot worse. Let's move on to the other side, and oh yes, that needs some love. That has had a repair there, all the way along the outside there, so I'm going to want to cut that out and start again. Pretty much all the way along that needs changing up until about here. From the other side, it is probably going to have some pinholes there by the time I clean that up along there. Again, the jacking points have all been damaged. Nice few holes in the floor pan there, so that's going to want a big section putting in there. A rogue loose bolt there. So what do you guys think? Is it that bad? Is it worth saving? I don't think it's that bad. I've done worse, as you've seen on some of the videos I've done over the years. Yeah, repairable. Not going to be cheap because all the interior's got to come out on this side. Rear arch has got to come out on that side. And yeah, not too bad. It's a good few days work. But yeah, not too bad. So you let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.